In today's video, I'm going to show you how to quickly copy your filtered data in the Google Sheets app, both applicable on the iPhone and the Android. So I have right here an example data in the Google Sheets app on an Android. And if I want to copy filtered data, here's how to do it. But first, let's apply some filter on this example data. I'm just going to select this like so. There you have it. Then tap on the ellipsis at the top right corner and select Create Filter. There you have it. We've applied a filter on both columns. Now I'm just going to resize my column right here so you can see everything. There you have it. So to change the filter, I'm just going to tap on that right there. There you go. Now we can sort and filter. Let's filter this data by condition. Go to Filter by Condition, Filter Items If, swipe up, greater than or equal to 400. Tap on Done, go to the check mark, and there you have it. We've successfully filtered that data. Although it doesn't change our total right here, that's okay. So now that we have our filtered data, what we're going to do to copy this would be to just select that range. There you go. Once you've selected it, you're just going to tap on a space within that selected data and select Copy. Once you've copied it, just select the cell or the space where you want to paste it. I'm just going to paste it right here. Tap on it again to paste. And there you have it. So we've successfully copied that filtered data, and you will see that our total right now is totally different. So it has just computed the total of this range right here, which is the formula that is indicated on that cell. So the formula right here would still include even the filtered data. But in our copied data right here, it has only included the ones that exist right here. What if we remove the filter? What would happen? I'm just going to go to the top right corner and select Remove Filter. There you have it. It has reverted to its original data, but our copied data would stay the same. So whatever we've copied on that filtered data would still remain the same right here. And there you have it. That's how we can copy filtered data in the Google Sheets mobile app, both on the iPhone and Android. Thank you for watching this quick tutorial. Make sure to subscribe for more helpful videos, and I will see you in the next one.